quiet down here on weekends, or weekend mornings at least. This is Maiden Lane. Only time it's quieter since I've been coming down here was on the holiday, President's Day. I guess it was probably about this quiet. That's Liberty Lane. Or Liberty Place, rather. But I'll go check on the Nassau Payphone, as I do every day. Nassau Street. I see a lot of dogs being walked around here. A lot of big, beautiful dogs. What seems to be somewhat curious about this phone booth is it looks like it's going to be part of a filming for something called Jigsaw, a TV series. And it appears that part of the setup for that, as part of the setup, they put white sheets of, I don't know what, cardboard or some kind of material. And for a brief period yesterday, this one had some graffiti all over it, this side. But within a half hour of me spotting it, it was gone. There's my card from yesterday. And these traffic cones suggest that perhaps the filming will be, well, it looks like it's going to be tomorrow. Vehicles must be moved by today. Jigsaw Season 1. This will be an interesting thing to keep up with. I don't watch a lot of TV. But it'll be interesting to see if this booth plays like a significant part in even a small scene. Or even a small part in a significant scene, or if it makes an appearance at all. Wow, it's really cold out here. I've noticed these light fixtures up here, they're cool. It gets so quiet down here. I am yet to hit up any of the local bars because frankly at the end of the day I just want to go home. I might think about it tonight though. See how the John Street bar is doing. That used to be an awesome place. I guess that's my card from yesterday. Looks like somebody yanked it off because it tore. Somebody pulled it off but threw it away. Oh well. I'll just leave that one. Masterpiece. I was recognized by an old friend out on the street on Wednesday. I didn't recognize him at all because he grew a big Grizzly Adams type beard since the last time I would have seen him. I was surprised he recognized me, but he said it's because he follows my Facebook, but I think it doesn't hurt that I took off my mask. I'm just starting to feel like we are the faceless generation. We're all face blind now. I can never remember the technical term for it, but a friend of mine is face blind. If it's not complete though. If I'm talking, my face is a blur. It's just white to her. It's like a white squall. But if I stop talking, she can see my face just fine. But I feel like everybody is face blind now. We are the faceless generation. I can't tell you how many times I've wanted to ask somebody, can I just please see your face? But it just never seems appropriate. I haven't been through 14th Street Union Square in, I don't know, a while. And the trains are messed up tonight, so I transferred here, which is not normal. Still at downtown. And I'll try. Oh, but actually I wanted to experiment with something. Let me see. I was telling somebody, today I was explaining 411 to somebody today, someone who thought that it was a free call. So they thought all calls, all those 3-digit N11s, they thought they were all free. But it cost 75 cents from a Payphone and as much as $2.99 over Verizon cell phones. Now you know. It's free from Link NYC though, so let's give Link NYC some credit. Anyway, this phone's looking good. Oh, the TTY doesn't work anymore though. I confirmed that last time I was here.